Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Vanessa. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do a tapered cut and color on my hair. Yeah, this is my first time doing something like this. The first time I cut my hair, I used like a razor comb, but now I'm going with my clippers, shear, whatever the hell you want to call it. All right, as you can see, I'm just listen, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just switching back and forth with the guards and all that stuff. I don't even remember what size I'm using to shape down my hair, but as you can see, I'm just taking off a little bit from the top, and then I'm just gonna move to the sides and the back, and I'm just gonna, fade it in, so that everything looks even and nice, you know what I mean? All right, so I'm just gonna let this play through because I'm just doing something. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. All right, so don't come for me, y'all. All right. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, like this video, share this video if it was helpful. Yeah, also follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at slimmers11. I'll put the handles of all that in the description box down below. Also comment, let me know what you think about this video, what you think about this hairstyle. Let me know what else you'd like to see me do. Interact with me, guys, let me know. All right, now I'm gonna jump into bleaching my hair, and I'm taking my Clairol lightening powder and my volume 40 developer. I'm gonna mix those in together, guys. I didn't use any specific measurement. I just poured stuff in, mix it around. I mean, it was not too thick or anything. It was just, just the right consistency. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my hair, trying to get the blonde looking, all that stuff. All right, so yeah. You want to also make sure that everywhere is getting the bleach. You don't want to have a peachy patchy looking type of color going on. You want to also ensure that you get your edges and all that good stuff. As you can see, my hair was already turning or changing color, So, and then I put a plastic cap or shower cap, whatever you want to call it, and that was just to make the process go a bit faster. All right, in order to get rid of that orangeness, I went in with the Born Blonde coloring kit. I picked this up at Walmart, and you just want to read the instructions carefully, and you want to make sure that you shake it up or mix it up as best as you can. And then I'm just going to apply it to my hair, and I let that stay for like a few minutes. When I first put in the lightening powder, I didn't let it stay for like 30 minutes. It was in there for like 20, and then I put this in and I let it stay in for like 10. So it wasn't really a long time because I didn't want to really damage my hair, even though yeah, I just didn't want to damage my hair, so I just didn't keep it in for too long. As you can see, my hair looks a little better, less orange, more on the yellow side, but that's okay. As you can also see, I'm going to go in and I'm going to shape the back of my head. You probably want to go to a barber or let someone who knows what they're doing do this, but you know, I like doing stuff for myself, so I was just, you know, whatever happens happens. So I just, you know, shaping up a little bit, get rid of some of those unwanted hair that was poking out, you know. And yeah, and to do this, I'm just using my regular eyebrow razor, and then I'm going to go in and wash my hair with my Shimmer Light shampoo. This is just to get rid of any yellow or orangeness to the hair. As you can see, it looks a little bit more on the blonde side. And yeah, that's the final look of the hair. I actually like it. Ooh, sexy. I like it. But if you do too, don't forget to like, again, share, and subscribe. See y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.